If you want to withdraw $50 daily for free and deposit it into your account as BNB, make sure to watch the video until the end. I've provided a complete tutorial on this site showing you how you can easily earn $50 daily through this site. Hello guys, welcome to another video on earning in dollars. As you can see, I've prepared a video for you where you can earn dollars completely for free. You can even increase your income by up to 200% per day just by following the method I explained and earn dollars completely for free. You withdraw. In the first part, as you can see guys, pay close attention. Now, whether it's a trust wallet or any type of account or digital currency wallet, at the top section, you enter the BNB address, and at the bottom, you enter a password for it, and that's it. If you scroll down, as you can see, this site has 43,000 members. And so far, it has had over 1,600 investments and 1,800 BNB payments. If you want to multiply this by the current BNB price of $700, $800, it results in a very, very good income. This is another point. If you look, we are now on the site's dashboard. If you click on the deposit option, you can make your investment from here and increase your daily income. As you can see, the best plan I know from this site is the BNB Power Aunt, which deposits into your account instantly, and you can also earn completely free income through this site. Now, if you want to know how we can, for example, find Bitcoin, Tron, and Dogecoin sites for you from these sites, subscribe to the channel right now, turn on the page bell, and most importantly, make sure to leave a comment for me. I read the comments and answer your questions. If we click on the withdrawal option, you can make your withdrawal this way. In the top option, which is amount to withdraw, you can write the amount you want to withdraw. Below that, your wallet address is located. And by clicking on the confirm withdrawal option, your withdrawal is completed easily, or the minimum withdrawal amount is written above for you, so you can definitely use it. You can make your withdrawal for free without any fees. Keep in mind that you do not incur any fees for your withdrawal. If we click on the referral option, you can take your referral link from this section and potentially triple your income. For example, if you are earning $50 a day for free through this site, you can increase it to $150 a day. In this way, you can earn a very good income from this site. It just requires a lot of referrals. For example, if you register 1,000 people through your own link, you can reach an income of even more than $12, more than $200 a day. Take this seriously and use free sites to earn as much as you can for free. And you can see the recent payments from this site, which, as I told you, is a very reputable site. And through this site, you can reach an income of more than $100 even in a day. If you have any questions, suggestions, or criticism, be sure to let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe to the channel right now, hit the bell next to it, and most importantly, guys, leave a comment and ask me questions. I love you all very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. Now let's go ahead. I've uploaded videos that I prepared for you in advance on YouTube. Let me tell you which one is the most useful. Look guys, if you want, for example, to earn $12 a day by clicking, this video is the best one you can watch on my channel if you want. And if you want to have an income by clicking daily, you can choose the option for earning by clicking daily. That option is now in the second video above, my card, which you can watch. I love you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.